Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 32, where I'm going to talk about using DataLink to update categories, which I've talked about in episodes 30 and 31. But what happens when I have a manual entry to an item within that category that's being updated automatically in Quantrix Modeler? So say, for example, here I have, again, a basic model, and what I have going on here is I have this region dim matrix that's based off of the regions here, and it's based off of a data link that's pulling from this region, and I showed you that in the previous episode. The thing I want to show you today is what happens if I go ahead and I add something manually to this region category. So let's say I add a Fillmore region and I add a Kanosh region. You can see plainly that Fillmore and Kanosh, those wonderful places, those wonderful regions, are not listed in the actuals raw data set that this region dim's coming off of. So what's going to happen if I go ahead and I refresh this? If I go ahead and refresh it, it's going to stay. Well, you may say, well, didn't you show us in one of the previous two episodes that you can go to DataLink, edit DataLink, and you can step through these steps, and you get towards the very last step and it says remove previously imported category items and data not present in the update? Well, I have that checked, but you can see that for the manual ones, they stuck around. Even if I uncheck that, which again wouldn't necessarily make sense if I wanted to get rid of stuff that wasn't present, and I go ahead and I refresh that, they still hang out there. They still perpetuate. So that's one of those nuances of Quantrix that you need to be aware of, that even if you are using DataLink, and even if you do have remove previously imported data items not present in the update, even if you have that checked, but if you have manually entered in something into your items for your category, they are going to perpetuate. So just one of those nuances I wanted to make you aware of. I hope you're enjoying Quantrix. It's been Memorial Day here in the States, so I wasn't able to go into work today and use Quantrix, but I'm glad that I could make this video for you because I absolutely love Quantrix Modeler. And if you have any questions about Quantrix or its nuances, feel free to reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. Of course, follow me on Twitter and at YouTube. I absolutely love Quantrix, and I want to make you a Quantrix master. So please join me again for another episode. Take care.